8 steps to get out of sadness. If you're having a complicated and painful time, or if you feel like you can't see any hope, take advantage of these 8 steps to get out of your sadness. At some point in life, most people experience the feeling of sadness. No one wants to experience sadness, but sadness is a natural human emotion. And in fact, it's also a beneficial feeling. However, if you are too sad, you may not be able to see the front and even know yourself. Sadness generally works to balance life. There is also the idea that if only happy things are happening, there will be harmful effects such as lack of motivation. However, in order to effectively utilize the feeling of sadness, it is important to understand how to deal with this feeling. If you're having a complicated and painful time, or if you feel like you can't see any hope, take advantage of these 8 steps to get out of your sadness. 1. Don't pay attention to what bothers you. The first step in overcoming grief is to never think about the cause of grief. Of course, it's not easy to forget right away, but give yourself some other way of thinking and a busy life to increase the amount of time you don't think about. At first, you may be sad and untouched, but by being distracted or busy with something else, you will gradually have more time to not think about it. 2. Move your body. When you move your body, especially when you exercise, substances that enhance your well-being are secreted in your brain. Therefore, exercise is also effective in preventing depression and relieving symptoms. To find an exercise that you can enjoy and continue, first try different exercises. If you find an exercise you like, continue. It improves your mood and makes you busy in a good way both physically and mentally, which not only gradually reduces the amount of time you feel sad, but also helps maintain your health. 3. Get enough sleep. One of the easiest ways to get out of sadness is to relax your mind. To keep your body and mind healthy and function properly, you need 6 to 9 hours of sleep each day. People who often stay up late at night are prone to sleep deprivation. Especially when you are feeling sad, you need to relax your body and mind and get a good rest. The next morning after getting enough sleep, you will wake up in a comfortable mood and feel refreshed. If you have trouble sleeping, enjoy relaxing tea or warm milk with honey. 4. Spend time with positive people. The influence of the people around us is greater than we can imagine, and it also affects our thinking and emotions. Thoughts and emotions are transmitted like illness, so if you spend time with people who have negative thoughts or negative emotions, you will have the same negative thoughts. When you want to get out of sadness, trying to spend time with a positive and happy person can help you regain the feeling of happiness, which is the opposite of sadness. Try to be open to the happiness and positive messages of your new friends. 5. Predict sadness. In our lives and our daily lives, our emotions change rapidly like a roller coaster. If you take advantage of this, you can prepare for the moment when you feel sad and the moment when you regain positive emotions. As mentioned earlier, while cherishing time with positive people and cherishing positive and enjoyable memories within me, there is also a positive aspect in that sadness that I now feel sad. Let's learn to be. 6. Change your daily routine and behavior. When you're stuck in sadness, doing the same thing every day or spending time with the same person can make you feel depressed. To overcome this situation, do something different, such as taking a break from work and going somewhere. Even a slight change, not a big change, will bring freshness to your daily life and rejuvenate your excitement. 7. Replace the air. One of the best ways to overcome grief is to change the environment. When you are feeling deep sadness, just looking at the same thing will bring back the sadness. However, this does not mean that you should change your place of residence or move. Small changes, such as cleaning and tidying up the room, or repositioning furniture, are important. Also, by increasing the number of lighting fixtures and decorations and keeping in mind a bright room, these small changes will improve the mind and spirit. Change to a room that is exciting and inspirational. 8. Take action to help yourself. Forcibly covering the sadness with "I'm not sad anymore" is not a solution. You need to find the cause of your sadness and find a way to overcome it. Once you know the cause, you can take the time to find the answer. However, if the cause of grief is serious and has a significant impact on your daily life, you should seek the support of a therapist or other professional. Also, your biological rhythm should be in tune with the rhythm of nature, that is, sleeping at night and staying awake during the day. Some of us need 8 hours of sleep, some 9, and some maybe 7. However, do not worry about whether it is too much or too little, get as much sleep as you need. This is a really refreshing habit that can help you live longer and better.